This is EIC Outrage and my name is called Saurabh Pant. Now, India's Prime Minister / External Affairs Minister / Christopher Columbus, Narendra Modi, travelled to the America and did this. Pushed Zuckerberg for a photo, shoved him aside like he was a Candy Crush request. No, Mark, I don't want to know my memories of last year. No, Mark, I don't give a fuck about internet.org. No, Mark, you are a dislike button. No, Mark, idhar nahi hai. But did Modi do anything else? Nope, nothing, nada, zero. Rahul, oh yeah, he raised $150 million from Qualcomm. Got a commitment from Apple to manufacture in India 500 Google Wi-Fi's in Indian stations. But fuck all of that because Mark Zuckerberg was pushed. I love our priorities as Indians. For once in over 3 months, Modi did something great. And frankly, I was proud of Modi for this video. He took vengeance. Remember this? Sharad Pawar pushed aside by some white dudes. Modi flew all the way to a country abroad to get vengeance. I don't know who you are, but I'll find you and I'll push you. Mitra! You white people pushed our brown neta. We get our brown neta to push your white interneta. Okay. But of course, our intellectual prowess about Modi's trip got better when we saw this crucial video. Satya, what the fucks, bro? You wiped your hands, I mean, but you're Indian. Or maybe Narendra didn't wipe his hands, he just took darshan. He's like, Modi ji, FDI, Pailago, Microsoft, Micro Hard. You know for a fact that Narendra Modi was the happiest when this happened. Thank you, Bihar. You so sweet. Bihar helped Modi. Right now, if all of Bihar voted for pole dancers, he'd win. But this trip was a big win for Modi. But of course, Modi, being Modi, could not resist using this platform to get personal.
बेटे ने 250 करोड़ बनाया, बेटी ने 500 करोड़ बनाया, दामाद ने 1000 करोड़ बनाया.
In your face, Akshay Kumar! I assume that's the damad you're talking about, right? Dimple Kapadia's damad? Like, Sing is Bling made 1,000 crores, right? Sing is Bling, Sing is Bling, Sing is Bling, Manmohan Singh. But what is the need of dissing the Gandhis? You're in the US and winning. They have nothing to do with this. This is like Federer beating Nadal in Wimbledon and screaming, "Suck it, Cristiano Ronaldo! Your damad, Wayne Rooney is an ogre. He's Shrek's bhai." Of course, Modi could not resist asking the crowd this either.
मैं आज आपके बीच में खड़ा हूं. है कोई आरोप मुझ पे? है कोई आरोप?
No, of course not. No accusation against you. In the final of the NatWest Trophy, India chased down England's 326, shattering all records. And of course, nothing else happened in 2002. But honestly, as with all foreign trips, PM Modi achieved more than any Indian PM before him. Of course, some of Modi's supporters once again proved their intolerance by roughing up American Indian gays outside his San Jose conference. Yes, the new Rajdeep Sardesai are gay people. Welcome to India to Gay TV. Yeah, who cares about the gay? You're gay. You're the gay. You don't like the lotus, you like the stem. Hut, nikal, chat. And what is lesbian? What is that? Only girl on girl allowed is when two women in power do coalition. It didn't help that the gay man was also a Muslim. What you are saying? You're Muslim and you like the other beef as well? But barring the stupidity of these idiots, PM Modi's foreign trips have been good. People make fun of his trips. In his first year, he did 18 countries in 57 days. Bro, I'm pretty sure he is Kesari Travels. Bro, Modi's frequent flyer miles are so frequent, they're more than Pakistan's GDP. Air India has subsidies, yeah. They are called Modi's window seat. But Manmohan, in his first year, in his second spell as PM, went to 14 countries in 42 days. The problem was that not too many people spoke about it, including Manmohan. Bro, that joke is from 2012. Yes, in his trips, Modi has achieved a lot. Investments, Japan 35 billion, China 100 billion, France 3 billion, US 45 billion. Sir, I've heard say investments lana to theek hai, but Toblerone kidhar hai? Improved relations with Bhutan, Nepal, Myanmar, Mauritius, Sri Lanka. Sorry, Amma, Sri Lanka, I apologize. Seriously, sincerely apologize. I'm so sorry. Let LTT her be. BFFs with Silicon Valley's most influential CEOs. Obama also, no, he's a CEO of his own black guy. Okay. Yeah, he nailed India's external policies, but now he urgently needs to fix India's internal policies.
Over the period of from December onwards, रेगुलर हमारे चर्चेस पे वैंडलिज्म अत्याचार हमारे अगेंस्ट हो रही है.
अगर वो एक हिंदू बालिका को ले जाएंगे तो कम से कम 100 मुस्लिम बालिकाओं को हिंदू मैं एक छोटी सी बात कहना चाहता हूँ और विनती करना चाहता हूँ कि इनको शायद मालूम भी हो जाए और शायद पढ़ा भी है कि सारे जहाँ से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, मजहब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना। ये आप सभी ने सुन रखा है।
Maybe crimes against minorities should be your new Zuckerberg. Push them aside. Allow Christians to wipe their hands after shaking yours. And maybe let your so-called damad eat whatever he wants. We'll even give you a visa on arrival for tolerance, unlike some of his supporters. So enjoy your flight. And that's my outrage for today. Salute.